Hello everyone. In today's Finance in 3 Minute series, I'll explain why do we get market correction right around the budget session. A correction is when the market or stocks you have invested in corrects to a drop of more than 2% on a trading day, and crash is when the drop is over 7% in a single day. Historical data shows that 6 out of 10 previous budget sessions started with the market correction, and on the date of budget, that is 1st of February, the further trajectory of the market is decided. Why does the stock market correct during January and February month? Data suggests that bears rule Jan and Feb month, and the prime reason is the presentation of country's annual budget. The annual budget is the time for a lot of uncertainties. Obviously, every government plans for the betterment of nation, but the budget brings in a lot of questions, and the same is to be answered only post budget. Thus, a lot of unnecessary doubts and speculations are involved. These unanswered questions of what budget may bring in on our investment makes investors worry more than needed, and thus they tend to go weak on their holdings. Current budget. Is it worrisome? Although experts at large have given a green signal for the upcoming budget, volatility in the market is expected by all. The pandemic has increased India's fiscal deficit to a higher level, and the global investors' confidence has been dented. With that said, the fact that the Indian market is already at its peak and overvalued when compared to overseas markets such as China, Russia, Brazil, and others makes the Indian market not so favorable. Thus, any correction should be accepted and appreciated. From a long-term perspective, Indian market is much more favorable than the earlier mentioned countries, and SIP investing is suggested at every dip. Reasons for the present stock market correction. It will be wrong for us to put the entire blame on the budget. It's a norm that the people expect something better during each budget session. Thus, a part of the population will always have a pessimistic view over the future of the country while the rest will be optimists. But we can't blame it all on just the budget. The market is currently driven by the overseas sentiment more than our own, especially the fact that the US Fed has made it clear that they'll increase the interest rates at least 4 times in the year 2022 alone. Such rate hikes made in order to curtail the ill effects of the inflation will bring an unwanted sell-off in risky assets such as equity and crypto market. That's exactly what we are currently experiencing in the global market. That's all about the current budget and market situation. Thank you for watching.